Hello, and here's a quick video of the overview of the wallpapers and themes you can select for this Android radio. So if you long press on the screen, you can see you can choose from a theme or a wallpaper and a car model. If you want to know how to change the car model, I have made another video and the link is in the description. Well, you can choose from this theme or this theme, and that's really it. So not a lot of choices there. So once again, I like this one a bit better than the other one. As for wallpapers, you can choose from about 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of wallpapers. So I had the black one, now I have this one. And that's about it. So once again, themes, you can choose from this one or the colored version. I prefer this one. It isn't possible to delete this. You can choose from different elements, but I guess it's with the other theme, so I will select that one. And then I haven't figured out how that works, so if you know, post it in the comments below. And let's get back to my original theme with my favorite wallpaper. That's all for now.